Hey you guys, and welcome back. So as you guys will have known from the last video, we are currently doing the engine bay in the Jordan. So if you missed my last video, I was telling you guys that we started doing the engine bay last year and we ran out of time, so we're doing it again this year. We are just going to be taking our time and doing it properly and getting it done the best way we can. Looking at it now, it's quite scary to see what we actually need to go through to get to the finished product. But we've been here before with my Civic. We done the engine bay in it, except I took it to someone to do it. In this video, I was at work, so Ryan had my camera and I think he videoed some clips of some of the holes being welded up. But it's coming on really well. The holes are welded. Me and Ryan put some filler on last night and Ryan grinded most of it down flat, so we have to do the rest by hand tonight. It also looks like it's been snowing in here, as you can see over here. Everything is dusty and white, and over here my rooms are really, really dusty. So, my god, but you see the S2000 actually. The S2000, look at the dust on it, and I cleaned it the other day before Ryan started it. So yeah, that is what's been going on. Everything is a mess right now, but the engine bay is coming on really, really well. I'll add the footage in from the welding stages where Ryan's friend Aaron came down and welded it.
Freeze, boy, you got 10 seconds.
Are you watching TikTok videos? So myself and Ryan are going to start rubbing down the engine bay. I'm maybe put in a few time lapses or whatever. So I have quite a sore back, which is why you'll see me standing with my hand on my back. So if I can remember right, this was a bit of tin welded on here. I think there must have been a hole or something there which wasn't needed. I'm hoping that Ryan remembered all the holes he needed to keep. There were some holes here which were welded up, and then we put filler over the top. There was some bits in here which weren't straight, which weren't all that flat. We still have some of the ridges, so we covered those last night with filler. It feels quite smooth now. Ryan has done the majority. They also flattened this bit at the back, which usually is quite bumpy and quite curvy in, and they have put some tin over the top and they have flattened it. Here is the same idea, just covered up all the holes which weren't needed. Like there was this hole here which really wasn't needed at all, so it's been covered up. And there was a few lumps and bumps like you can see here. There were holes that were there for really not much of a purpose, and they've all been covered up and filled. And yeah, me and Ryan's just going to start sanding it down tonight, and hopefully we can get it a little bit more smoother. So guys, that is it for tonight. We are going to go home. My back is really sore. Just show you what I was in charge of was like these little areas in here, because I've got little tiny hands. There's a lot more to go. I like doing all those little tiny bits. I was doing over here, as you will see in the video. Smoothed a lot of it away. In here, it was really quite bad. So yeah, there's a lot more to go. But there's no point us videoing it all and showing you guys exactly what we're doing, because I'm sure you should be getting bored by the time we got to the end of it. Yeah, I thought I would just give you guys an update tonight on what is actually happening with the Jordan. It seems as though we are just doing so much show prep at the minute. I've got sent a few products from people who probably will be looking for the videos, but we will get there eventually. I'll not worry guys much more, and I'm gonna go home, get nice and warm, and back to work tomorrow. If any of you guys have actually done something similar Some of you guys may watch Supreme. He's doing the same thing to his engine bay, except his is probably done a bit more professional than ours has been done. He probably knows a bit more of what he's doing than we do. But yeah, if any of you guys have any ideas on what to do, or if you guys have any hints or tips on what to be doing, let me know in the comments below. Any help will be appreciated. So guys, if there's anything else you would like to see other than the content that I'm putting up now with the cars getting ready for show season, let me know in the comments below and I will get that sorted for you. Hit the like button. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one.